everybody in prison. So you can just forget about reopening your case or a jailhouse appeal. You got that? It 8 years. You're 95% unsuccessful. So if you want my advice,
No.
well, you're going to get it. You do your time.
So what are you now, a lawyer?
Once upon a time. But they tend to have born murderers. And here's your Christmas present. You ready? Pay attention, because this is the best goddamn advice you're ever going to get. You ever hear something called double jeopardy, 50 amendment to the Constitution? Huh? Yeah? Well, double jeopardy provides that no person may be tried for the same crime twice. You got that? Good start. The state says you already killed your husband. They can't convict you of it a second time. That means that when you leave here, you track him and when you find him, you can kill him.